Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Goodnotes backup not working in 2026. Is your Goodnotes backup not working? That's risky because you could lose all your notes. But don't worry, here's how to fix it just by following some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the application Goodnotes. We're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna look for the application Goodnotes. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure you install it from there, and after the installation is complete, you're gonna make sure to open the application. Once you open it, make sure to connect your account via Google or your account's credentials. Once you log in, to fix the Goodnotes backup not working, you're gonna open the Goodnotes application and go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you click on it, here you're gonna scroll all the way down and check the backup section and make sure it's enabled. You're gonna click on integration, then you're gonna click and connect the cloud storage. Once you connect it, you're gonna go to the settings and then go to the preferences and make sure you find the document settings and make sure to go to the backup section. Now once you find this, you're gonna check your internet connection, then sign out and sign back into your cloud account and restart the app and try again. Just like this. You're gonna restart the application and relaunch it again. Let's see if this works. Now make sure to also enable automatic backup and check cloud storage space. And also run manual backup regularly. No backup issues are usually easy to fix, so follow these steps and keep your notes safe. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.